If you're looking for a simple way to stay private online and access blocked websites, let me show you how iTop works and how to save money on it. We're already on the official iTop website. iTop is a VPN service that helps you protect your online privacy, hide your IP address, and securely access content from different regions. It's easy to use and works well for streaming, browsing, and staying safe on public Wi-Fi. As you browse the site, you can see different plans and features depending on how long you want to subscribe. Longer plans usually offer better value and a lower monthly price. Before choosing any plan, it's always a good idea to check Techie Coupons. Now switching to the Techie Coupons website. On Techie Coupons, you'll find a dedicated iTop store page with the latest active and verified iTop coupon codes and discount details. This makes it easy to see which deals are available before you subscribe. Now let's go back to the iTop website. Choose the plan that fits your needs and continue to check out. On the checkout page, look for the promo code or discount code field. Enter the iTop coupon code you found on Techie Coupons and apply it. If the code is valid, the discount will be applied instantly. That's it. You can now enjoy secure and private browsing with iTop while saving money. Before buying any VPN, always visit Techie Coupons to find verified coupon codes, updated discounts, and full deal details. The link to the iTop coupon page on Techie Coupons is available in the description.